Well, welcome back again. Another edition of Birch Outdoors here at Fort Mansfield. We're going to do a little spot fishing today for a tournament. We're going to check some spots for redfish and hopefully some flounder. We got our trout spots already figured out, but it's been kind of slow on the flounder, right, Ruben?
Can't find them.
And the big red, yeah, we're not doing real good on big red. So anyway, welcome back, and we'll get right back at you in just a little while. We're going to start with some top water and then put some worms on, try and get some flounder. We'll see what happens. Out of the port here, and there's a ton of trout in here, but they're all undersized. We'll cast right in here again. They're right in front of the boat. A lot of shrimp in here this morning. Got another one. That's okay. It's biting a little bit better, Ruben. Yeah. Bit bigger fish. Still not gonna be big enough to keep. He swallowed it. Lord. Just popped shrimp out of his mouth. See there? Yeah, we're here at Fort Mansfield, and we just got out of the port, and there's just, I mean, just hundreds of birds here. We just had a shrimp hatch, and just gonna drift through one more time. I mean, the other ones were kind of small, but you never know. What I've seen these kind of birds is the big fish are gonna be underneath them. So you really want to get something that gets your bait down below the big mass. There's just hundreds of them in there. Fishing the birds, you see them? All kinds of shrimp in here this morning. See if we can catch some a little bit bigger. First cast, just about to them. You got to get right up on them. We caught 3 already, but they're all small. We're just trying to see if there's any bigger ones in here. Sure there is. We reel it on in. The pod's right in front of us. Little to the left, Ruben. It was right to the left of us there. God dang it, missed them. You should catch one unless you got a bird there. Here we go. Hope I don't catch a bird. Get down.
You don't like the...
I'm on.
Looks like you don't like the purple.
He's throwing purple.
Yeah,
They like the Mansfield Margarita.
oh yeah, we know that for sure.
Yeah, they're small ones. Boy, back in the days when I was young, these were all keepers. Oh man. Blood on. You still got him. Still got him, right? Yeah. Oh, he hit it. Good, man. Oh, dang. You're looking at me. Redfish, huh? Yeah. Oh, that's a red, yeah. Oh, it's a big old trout. You were looking at me.
Looking at you. Well, you were telling your story there about
Yeah. Guess I might have to go to that popper. That's a nice trout though. It's a keeper. Mansfield knocker. That's a nice trout, man. God, how fat that thing is. Man, let me take a look at that. He's like 22, but he's like 4 or 5 pounds. You were looking at me.
I was looking at you. Tell me the story about Heath. And you out here fishing. Tournament. Yeah.
Oh man, that's a pretty fish.
Just
Yeah.
pretty fish.
Same area. Thought they were gone. A smaller one. Okay, you got her. Just released the nice fish we had. She was a little over 4 pounds, right? Or something.
Yes, sir.
22 inches. Anyway, we're gonna go see if we get.
Good like the trout.
Oh, that's a fish there. Well, folks, I think we finally found them. We were fishing here early, a little further out. We should have stayed around. What is that? Oh, keep him in the water, Zeke. Keep him in the water, Zeke. Keep him in the water, bro. God, look at the size of that papa. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. Hey, pal. Pal, man, that's a nice one. Look at that, brother. God.
What size are they?
Thing over 15, he's well over 15. God, that is a nice flounder, man. Dude. Woo. Margarita. Get the net, get that beep. He's not very happy. Yeah. Man, he ate it. I'm gonna reach down in there and cut my finger. Welcome, you big flathead. Golly.
That is.
Yeah, you do. Hit the margarita, right?
Yeah.
Golly, boy, did you hook him. Wow. Hey, let go of margarita. Still got it. Woohoo!
Nice.
Wow, it's a nice one. Put him in the back. Pow, man. Getting closer. It might be a keeper there. Yep. Come on. Come on, don't get off, booger. Come on. Oh yeah, it's a nice one here. Come on. Come on. Maybe. He's close. Oh, come on. You want to come in, people? Here we go. Whoa, I got him. He's going to be close. Welcome back, everybody. I just want to thank all my subscribers. Our channel has been a huge success. A little time it's been on. Mainly we're fishing Port Mansfield, Putney Island area. But before we go today, I just want to show you a couple lures that we're using and how we're using them. Give you more tips on how we're catching fish. First, you got to find them, guys. But then when you find them, you got to be throwing what they like. Okay, here we go. I'm going to start with some top waters. This one on the left, it's one of your baby spook juniors. I like this color. You got to walk the dog with it. This is the Skittle in the lime back. Walk the dog with this one too. This becoming a real famous lure here, Port Mansfield Knocker. This is another version of it made here in the Rio Grande Valley. These were dynamite this past weekend with us. 6 cents. Got some nice lures. This is a wake type lure. You just pop it on top and it's shallow diver. Coming real popular right now, the Double D from Mirror Lures. Another walk the dog shallow diver. Two best worms we're working this weekend. Port Mansfield Margarita, but in the 4-inch, the small size guys. And again, the plum chartreuse has been our go-to all year round for the trout. They're hitting it in dirty water and clear water, but in dirty water they love this thing. Still using the Shimano's 3000 spinning reel with 10-12 pound test, light medium rod. I like the All Stars. Seven-foot rod. Another thing, guys, that I'll tell you, well, we're using a 1/4 ounce jig and when it's real windy, and then we go to 1/8 when it's not so windy. I recommend use at least a 20-pound leader, and use a longer leader if it's deeper water, shorter leader when it's shallower water, guys. That's the key. Short leader in the shallow water. Keep it right above the grass. Okay, this past weekend, this video we had, we didn't catch a lot of keeper fish. We caught a lot of fish. The birds are working now. The shrimp are hatching out, guys. You need to get out on the water, man. When the shrimp start coming out, the fish are very aggressive. Got into a lot of birds this weekend. A lot of small trout. One nice sized trout Ruben caught. So thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Have a good time on the water. God bless everybody. Birch Outdoors, that's what we're talking about.